Welcome guys. If you want to connect printer to your ALCATEL X3 2019, for the first you have to enter the settings. Right now just click on the network and connection, scroll down and click on the printing, go for the default print service, and right now when you have the printer that support wireless connection, you will get it in a few moments. In my case, of course, it won't happen because I don't have the printer in my office. So let's go back, and if you have any problem, you can tap on the add service. And for example, if you got the brother printer and your brother printer support the wireless connection, and you still don't get this printer on this connection list, you have to go for the plugin, get it from the Play Store, tap on the install, and go back again for the default print service, and everything will work. So this is how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.